Hello, today I'm in Peugeot 308. In this video I'll show you how to enable and use cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To enable cruise control, switch this button downwards and cruise control now is enabled. Now you have to accelerate to desired speed and let the acceleration pedal go. Next, if you want to pause and unpause cruise control, you have to simply press this button. And behind this lever we've got two buttons, set plus and set minus, thanks to which you can increase or decrease the speed of the cruise limiter, cruise control. To disable cruise control, set this button to 0. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.